Hello friends, today I'll show you that how to install Kitkat 4.4.2 on Galaxy Y Duos. As you can see, this is Samsung Galaxy Y Duos. And for that you have to need three files: cwm6102.zip, Kitkat 4.4 for duos.zip, and fixed ICH final aroma.zip. And you will find these three files on my blog technicallyincredible.blogspot.com, and this link is given in the description below. For that you have to go in the recovery mode, and remember that don't put these three files into any folder of your SD card. Put into the root. I hope that you have understand me what I'm trying to say to you. And to go into recovery mode, you have to press the combo of the three buttons: volume up button, power button, and home button. Let's get started. First, volume up, power, and home button. As you can see that it has opened now. This is the recovery mode. So now you have to go to wipe data and factory reset. To navigate up and down, you have to use the volume up and key button, volume up key button, and volume down key button. And to select, press the home button. Go to wipe cache partition. Now go to apply update from SD card. You can see that cwm6102.zip and cwm.zip, these both are the same files. Go to cwm.zip, press. You are now in the clockwork mode recovery. Now you have to again go to wipe data and factory reset. Press yes. Wipe cache partition. Press yes. Now go to advanced. Wipe Dalvik cache. Press yes. Wipe battery stats. Press yes. Now go back. Go to mounts and storage. You can see that the data SD card is not mounted, so mount it. Now go to format data. Press yes. Format cache. Press yes. And don't format the SD card as it contains the zip files which are going to installed. Format system. Press yes. Now you can see that the data and system and cache is again unmounted, so just mount these three files: mount system, mount cache, and mount data. Press back button. Now go to install zip from SD card. Choose zip from SD card. As you can see that Kitkat 4.4 for duos. Kitkat 4.4 for duos. Select it and install it. It will take some time. I'll tell you that I will not be responsible for any damage happen to your phone, and I'll request you that if you are successful in installing this KitKat 4.4.2 into your device, then please subscribe my video and also follow me on my blog, so that I'll be encouraged to give you the information for many other things. Like I'll also tell you that how to purchase the Xiaomi Redmi 1S, which is very limited for everyone, because I have some scripts. From there you will be able to purchase the Redmi 1S. As you are seeing that it is taking some time, so don't worry. once you get installed the KitKat 4.4, the visitors who want to unroot their device and go to the original Samsung Galaxy Y Duos 2.3.6, I'll also tell them that how to do this method. It takes some time, so don't worry. It's written thanks for installing the ROM. Now install from SD card complete. I will tell you that you have to again go to wipe data and reset, because if you'll not do this, this might be happen that your phone will get stuck on the Samsung Galaxy Y Duo's logo. So don't forget to wipe data and reset. Press yes and wipe cache partition. Press yes. Now it is written reboot system now, so we are going to reboot the system. Rebooting. As it is the first boot after the installation, so it will take some time to get started. I will tell you again that don't try to install this KitKat 4.4 into your Galaxy Y. It will cost you to pay, because there is a big difference in between these two. As the name suggests, Y Duos and Y. You can see that the phone has been rooted and the Google symbol is now showing. It will take some time. As it is the first boot, after some time you will feel that your phone has been vibrated. My phone has not been vibrated till yet, but I believe that it will. As you can see that it is the first phone of the Samsung Galaxy, and we Galaxy Y users are having the responsibility to upgrade it, because we need more. Don't worry, it is the first boot, so it will take some time. Because if your phone has shown the Google logo, then be assured that your phone is going to start. It's 100% guarantee that from this method you will be able to install. As you can see, there is some other language. To change the language, you have to select alter a idioma. Select it. Now select English United States. Welcome to GTS 6102B. Now just press on Android. Yes. As I have installed it before, so it will not ask me to again sign in for the Google account, but it will ask you. So you have to, you know very well that how to use the phone during the first installation. As you can see, it is asking for me for the Google account. You can skip. We are successful in installing the Kitkat 4.4 in Galaxy Y Duos. Thanks for watching this video. Oh, so sorry. I'll show you that either we are successful or not. So just go to settings. Oh, sorry. Android version 4.4.2. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll please request you all to please subscribe my video and follow me on my blogspot technicallyincredible.blogspot.com. Thank you.